Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 grammar success with composition chapter number 2 collective and abstract nouns part 2. So if you have not watched the previous chapter, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay. So here fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here the flowers in the garden give great. So here you have to form abstract nouns. Okay. So here first one is already provided, pleasure. Then next, to be a good writer one must have the power of imagination. Okay. So here you have to write imagination is an abstract noun of imagine. Then next, to succeed one must not be afraid of fail. You have to write failure, right here, failure. Then next here, Adam had dash regarding the apple on the tree. So here curious is provided. Here you have to write curiosity, right? Curiosity. This is an abstract noun. Then next, she accepted your invite. Invite, this is verb. You have to form abstract noun. Invitation. Okay. So here, invitation. Then next here, I believe in her. Okay. Innocence. Innocence here. Then next, the happy days of our dash can never be relived, right? So here child, this is common noun. Here you have to form abstract noun of child, childhood. You have to add suffix, okay, hood. Okay, so here childhood. Then next here, the elephant had great, strong is an adjective. You have to form abstract noun of strong, strength. Okay, so here you have to write strength. Then next here, the foundation of one's character, yes, education, right? So here you have to write education. This is an abstract noun. Then next here, dash always wins in the end, truth, right? Then next, dash for one's master is the most important quality in an employee. Loyalty, right? Loyalty here. Then next here, in the selfish world of today, the best gift, yes, friendship. You have to just add here suffix ship. Then next, a person of know, verb. Okay, knowledge. This is an abstract noun. A person of knowledge is respected by all. Right here, knowledge. Then next here, dash can win over all odds. Determination, right? Determination can here. Okay, determination can win over all odds. Next here, dash can give way to lots of pitfalls and failure in life. Angry. So here angry is provided. So you have to form abstract noun, right? Anger. Okay. Then next here, Indians are known all over the world for their hospitality, right? So here you have to write hospitality. Then next here, Kargil heroes we are rewarded for their bravery. Brave, adjective. Okay, bravery. This is an abstract noun. Bravery. Then next, poverty is the cause of the greatest. So here, unhappy is provided. Unhappiness. Right? You have to add suffix ness. Then next here, dash is very important for improving relationship. Communication. Communicate, verb. Communication. Noun, communication. Then next here, Sunday is a good day for relaxation, right? So here you have to write relaxation. Clear? Then next here, complete the following table. The first one has been done for you. The adjective are provided, so you have to now form nouns. Okay? So here desperate, desperation. Then next here, just. So here the answer, just, justice. then next progressive, okay, progress. Then next here optimistic, optimist. Then next here pessimistic, pessimist. Powerful, power. Sympathetic, sympathy. Emotional, emotion. Trustworthy, trust. Troublesome, trouble. Thoughtful, thought. Educated, education. Skillful, skill. Chaotic, chouch. Peaceful, peace, right? Then next here, write the verbs from which the following abstract nouns are formed. The first one has been done for you as an example. Success, succeed. Then next here freedom, freedom you know, free, right? Then next discovery, discover, okay, so here discover. Then next here invitation, you have to write invite. Then next creation, create. Then next death, death you know, die, right? Here die, okay, so here you have to write die. Then next birth, you know, born, okay, you know, die, death, born, birth. Believe, believe you have to write believe, okay, so here you know, born. Then next believe, B-I-L-I-E-V-E, just you have to add here V-E, right, in place of E-F. Then next here protection, protection, yes, protect, right, so here protect. Then next here punishment, okay, punishment, yes, punish. Then next here production. Then next departure, depart, right, so here okay, punish, produce, depart. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.